Alright guys, today we're gonna do a review of this Chomps. These are on sale, and these are grass-fed beef sticks. So, as you can see, yeah, gluten-free. Check out the back. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. We'll do a quick taste test. Here's the ingredients right there. And yeah, I'm curious about this. So, alright, let's open this up. Okay, so they look like these little pepperoni sticks. And yeah, let's open it up. Okay, so there it is. You know what? It's actually pretty good. It tastes like a pepperoni stick, but leaner. It's not even that oily. So I've had some that were really oily in the past, and yeah, these ones are actually pretty good. It has that sort of sour taste, you know, that pepperoni usually has. But yeah, it's not too oily. So, alright guys, stay tuned for more videos. If you're subscribe to the channel. And it's not dry.